Hello everybody. Today you're going to do calculations from moles to grams, from one chemical to another chemical. Okay, first you have to identify what you have and where you're going. And so here's the template. This template is from the notes that you got earlier this week. You're going to first start with whatever they give you. So whatever is given is going to always go here. Whatever this unit is will always go here. That way you can cancel that unit. Whatever you're looking for will be your unknown. Once you have the mole of the unknown, then it's just a simple of moles going to grams problem, and you're going to have the 1 mole of what you're looking for and the molar mass on top. This will give you the grams of whatever compound you're looking for. Okay, let's go ahead and do an example. Okay, here you have a given of 5 moles. Maybe let's use a different color. You're given 5 moles of oxygen gas, and you're looking for grams of water. So remember, you always have what you're given and then what you're looking for. And so here you're going to be going from moles of O2 to moles of water, and then you can find your grams of water. Okay, so let's get started. You have 5 moles of O2. Whoops. Okay, there we go. Of O2. Now, because you have that mole of O2, the mole of O2 will go down here. And what you want, which is the water, you're going to have the mole of water up here. Now, a little reminder that anytime you have mole to mole, this is coming from your coefficients. So your coefficient of water is 2. That goes here. And your coefficient of oxygen gas, there's not a coefficient there. So remember, if you didn't have to put a coefficient, it's always a 1 when you have a balanced equation. So you're going to have 1 mole of O2. This will allow you to cancel out that O2. Okay, now whatever unit is here, it must go to the bottom. So you have mole of water, because what you're looking for is the molar mass of water. Okay, I'm not sure if that's too clear, so let's go ahead and change that. Grams of H2O. Okay, so now 1 mole always equals your GFM, or your molar mass. So here for water, I have 2 hydrogen, I have 1 oxygen. You multiply times the mass. The mass for hydrogen is 1. Is going to give me 18 grams for your water. Okay, so now you're going to multiply everything on the top, and if you had anything else other than a 1, you would divide by whatever you had on the bottom. Okay, so 5 times 2, go ahead and grab a calculator, and remember that you always need a periodic table for your molar masses, okay? So 5 times 2 gives you 10, times that 18 is going to give you 180 grams of H2O. And this is how you find grams starting with moles. Okay, if we need another example, let's go ahead and do that in Zoom right now. Okay, actually, I just got reminded that one of you is not going to be in class this day, so I'm going to go ahead and add another example. Here they're giving you 2.2 moles of NH3, and you're looking for the grams of H2O. Okay, so since we already found the molar mass on the other problem, remember that your GFM for water is 18 grams per mole. Okay, that's just a little hint. All right, so you always do your little railroad tracks. Whatever unit is here, it will always go at the bottom. So you have mole of NH3, and you're trying to go from NH3 to H2O. So we're going to find the mole of water. Now remember, these numbers always come from your coefficients. So your mole for water is 6, and your mole for NH3 is 4. All right, and this cancels off your NH3, and now we have the water that we want, but it's in moles. So now we're going to take this unit, and this goes at the bottom, the moles of H2O, and we're looking for the mass of H2O. So our molar mass, the GFM, will go right here. Your molar mass always equals 1 mole. This allows you to cancel out the mole, and now you have the grams, which is the unit you want. This will give you your answer in grams for water. So now all you have to do is multiply and divide. So remember, everything on top is going to multiply. So 2.2 times 6 gives you 13.2 times 18. Your top number is 237.6. Now on the bottom, 4 times 1 gives you 4. So you're going to take that 237.6 divided by 4. This will give you 59.4 grams of water, which is your answer. And that's it. Have a great day.